A very good morning to Dr. So. Okay, today we'll be doing the first data sheet for our tutorial. So as you can see here, before that I hope you can hear my recording. I'm using OBS so you can see my webcam as well as the sheet as well. Okay, let's go. So this is the attendance for a series of training sessions run over the course of a week with a space to calculate some data using the common functions that we'll be going to use soon. Okay, so we're going to find the total for the excess of all areas from Monday to Sunday. So this is pretty easy. So the formula is sum, because you want to know the sum of this, because you want to know total. You press enter, so you get the sum of 122. Next, go for average. So you press equals average, then press enter, so you get the average for 27.3. What is about highest? You should put max, so we want to know the maximum number. So we can see it's 43, so it is correct. How about the lowest? Just now was max, now was minimum, so we say it min. Then you just drag it and press enter. How about the rest? Do we have to do it again one by one? No, we just drag this and we can drag it down, or you can double click as well. So the number of events, so the number of events is, we want to know the total of everything here. So what we do, we press equals count bracket from B2 until H8. So you close the bracket, press enter. So 49, so there's 49. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 times 7 49. How about total attendance? So I want to know the sum of this. Sum, drag the total, close the bracket, 1376, make it okay. Next we go for average attendance equals average, oops, okay, average, then we drag it back. Okay, so about the highest attendance, like just now, we put max and drag it down, 55, okay, and we do another one. Oh, I forgot to put equals minimum, drag it down. Oh no, wait, mistake here, it's not L80, it should be 8, okay, so it is 5. Okay, that's done for the numbers part, which is the number 1, the task 1, number 1 question. Next, we go to the next tab. I believe the answer is right because the formula here, Doctor uses if solution, so the if solution I think gives the correct number, so should be correct. So let's go for students. Here, what is this? Okay, so we'll switch to tab. Let's read the instructions first. Let me drag it down here. So the instruction is switch to tab called students. Okay, the sheet know numeracy, literacy and science assessment marks for a group of primary schools people. Okay, but as well, okay, in the cell G5, let's see, cell G5, okay, so enter a formula to convert numeracy mark D5 into a percentage. Okay, so percentage using mathematical logic, so you just 65, this one D5 divided by 100, then get 65. Let's make it a bit nicer, so you just put it in the middle. Okay, how about this one? Do you need to do for everything? No, you just have to double click. There you go, you see? It's nice, right? So let's do the same thing for here as well. Equals, for literacy we divided it by 100, so we get 64%. Let's make it nicer. We don't need the oops, okay, yeah, there you go. So put it in the middle and we double click. There we go. Same goes to here as well for science. 56 divided by 100. So I get 56%. Percentage, we put it in the middle and we double click again. There we go. So what's the average? Equals, like just now, same formula, average and we want to know the average of this person, Helen, right? We want to know his average score, so we just drag this one percentage wise. So his average is 62%. Let's make it middle slightly nicer, and we double click. There we go. Let's get the data for everyone. Let's go to, who is this? His highest. Okay, so it's easy again. So we just put max. This one, we just drag this tree. We close. So the max for Helen Jones would be 65%, which was his numeracy. Okay, 65 was numeracy. And just double click. Probably see the lowest. Put minimum. And we do this one. And we close the bracket again. So 56%. So his science was the lowest. It's pretty nice. So we just double click. Ta-da! We got all the answers in percentage. That's done for number 2. So let's go for number 3, student summary. Okay, let's read the question first. Okay. Switch to the tab student summary. Okay. You should calculate some summary figures for the data of the student sheet. In cell B6, okay. Enter a function that will count the number of people listed in column E of the student sheet. Oh, so you want to know the average numeracy for the whole students. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's doable. Okay, so we put equals average, we open the bracket, then we go to numeracy, right? So students, so let's see all of the students we want to know. So just drag down. Alright, then we go back to this one and we close the bracket. Oops, somewhere's wrong somewhere. Let's see, what did I do wrong? It's okay, we can learn. Do it again. Or can't we do that? Average. Average numeracy, right? Average for numeracy should be this one. Okay. Enter. There you go. Now it's working. I was not sure why it wasn't working just now. Okay. Okay, so you want to know the average for numeracy. We got it. So the next we can just drag it down. Yeah. So this one we take from H5 to H54, which is the H5. Where is there you go, literacy. So you want literacy. So Excel kinda makes our job way easier by just dragging. We just have to fill it once. So let's go for the highest numeracy. For numeracy, highest. Oh wait, we have to fill in the formula first. Equals max bracket students. Let's see which one is the highest. Down and we close the bracket. You see, 93%. A student name. The student got 93%. That is the highest. About then we do minimum. Go for students for numeracy as well. Yeah. Drag down everything. Okay, press enter. So 30%. Make it cantik sikit. Oops, sorry for the Malay. So then we just select these two, drag them to the side. So it will be autofill. So max is for students in H column and for science as well. So I is science, H was literacy, and G was numeracy. So so everything should be correct. So the number of students is actually, is it the total number of students? Let's read the question again. The total number of students, right? Okay, wait. In student summary, this calculate student sheet, student sheet, collection B54 is intended to calculate average, highest and lowest presentation in the 3 assessment. In cell B2, enter a function to calculate the average numeracy result on the students for column G. We did that. Add the appropriate function to find the highest, lowest number. Okay, done. So the number of students is pretty much the number of students would be this one, but let's see. So we ask them to count 50. There you go. I was doubting myself, but thankfully it's correct. Okay, let's go for the next one. Let's read which is the poll. So what do they want here? Let's read the question again. Let's bring up the question. Where's the question? Here's the question. Switch to the tab poll. Done. We've done that. Then you're organizing an event and you need to know which days people can attend. There are 3 options: Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Okay. Count a function to find the number of corresponding each day. Account for the possibility of an unlimited number of further respondents adding their name. Okay. So count A. Okay, so Tuesday is 33, and next you just double click. There you go. Oh wait, this is wrong. You don't double click because it's different. So we do the same thing for B as well. Count A, then every close 25 person, and for Thursday do the same thing as well. Count A, then C, start from Amanda to Tim, and close the bracket. Okay, done. So it's okay. So I think I've done it correctly. Correct. And how about here? Okay, I got the percentage here, and the numbers here I got. Okay. Alright, that's all for me, and I hope I did a good explanation and everyone had a good time, and that's all from me. Ta-ta. Have a nice day ahead. Okay, testing. Okay, a very good evening, doctor. So I'll be doing the task 2 for the week 2 tutorial. So as we can see here, let's read. So open the file, data 202, expense claim. Okay, so let's open. I already downloaded it. This is the file. So it asks us, since I've downloaded it, I don't think I need to make a copy. So let's straight away get into the task. Okay, so let's read. Details of expense are entered on the expenses tab. Summary information is calculated on summary tab, which also manager. Okay, to make that performance simpler, summary tab. Okay, so we need to check limit. Okay, let's try. Go to expense. Alright, so we need to check limit. So we need to use the if function. So the limit is 50. Alright, so it equals if no. Okay, oh no. okay. um, if D2 is bigger than the check limit, which is this one, okay, then we either check with manager, or if it's not, then it's okay. I believe that's it, and we press enter, so it's okay. So we need to lock in the B2, so I will lock B2 F4. Yep, there you go. Then we can just wait. Is it okay or check it? Wait, something's wrong. Oh no, wait. Oh, no wonder. Wait, so we have to check. Okay, so we make sure we lock the cell. We press enter. Should be okay. Alright, cool. Now we just can double click, and that should be it. Let's see the solution. Do we have the right answer here? Oops. Is it okay, yeah, it is correct. Alright, let's go with the sum then. Let's read the question back. What's the next task? We've done this. Okay, right, we did copy the formula down. Okay, done. So now we switch to summary tab. Total number of date entries in. Okay, so total number of date, this is, so we count the date entries. How many dates are there? So you just drag from A2 until A15. We close the bracket, enter. So there should be 14, the total cost of date. So we just sum, go back to the expenses tab, and we sum it up, everything here, and we close the bracket. Should be $375.77. Okay. I'm missing out anything here. Okay, $375.75 and 14. Okay, let's see. That should be it for task 2. Alright, okay, I'll end the video now. So let's go for task 3. So let's save it first. Okay, thank you, doctor. So sorry for taking so much time. Okay, let me end the recording for this one first. Okay, so now I'll be doing my recording. It's recording. Okay, so now I'll be doing task 3 from the dataset 3202 dataset 3. Okay, let's have a look at the questions first. We'll have a read together. Okay, we're in task 3. Okay, so I've downloaded it. Okay, we already downloaded it behind us. Switch to the wholes tab. This should use the conjunction with the wholes at main. Okay, to calculate the cost of a group people staying for several nights at a campsite. Okay, the arrival, departure dates, holiday in D1 and D2 of the wholes tab. Okay, and the details of the holidaying party are entered from row 9 onwards. Where is row? Okay, this is the row 9. Okay, the details are here onwards. This information, together with values for discounts for concessions and larger groups, will be used to calculate the cost of the holiday. Okay, in order to make formula easier to work with, cells containing key values will be configured as named range. These names can be absolute reference. Let me see what's the absolute references. Okay. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, okay, yeah, I got it. Okay, absolute. Okay, absolute. Okay. A quick calculation. Back on a whole step in cell D3, workout length, holiday days. Okay, let's do the first one. A quick calculation. Just want to see the length of holiday in days. Okay, that's pretty much easy. So we just this departure minus by. Make sure the number is it in number. Okay, it's number 4, I think. So it's good, great. So how about the next one? let's read it first. Okay, so we're done with this. So go with number 6. In cell D4, count how many people are there in party. Okay, so we use the column B itself, and we will be using the formula count A. Okay, and we should minus 1 because there's a column which named name. So equals column A bracket, I will take the whole this, and we're gonna minus 1. Oops, am I missing out something here? Column A, am I missing out something here? Wait, is it the bracket? No, I should have bracket here. Let's see, where am I wrong here? Count. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. Why did I write column A? No wonder. Count A. Okay, wait. Okay, should be okay. Yeah, there. Alright, okay, done. So sorry for that. I was confused. Okay, so we're done with number 6. That's great. Okay. The column in column E, starting with E9, to calculate daily rate for each person. Column in is the column in E. Okay. Okay. So for the conversion, okay, we need to use the if function. Okay, got it. Calculate the appropriate charge in E9. Okay. To test the quality for conversion, we can use C9 equals to C9. Okay. So we need to use if function for what? Okay, so the formula is daily rate. I believe the daily rate. Okay. Oh, wait. Wait, missing. Wait, where's the? Okay, daily rate minus. Daily rate minus. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, so I need to do if function only. If if oops, sorry, C9. Let's look at the notes again. Let me put it here so I can reference it while doing. It'll be easier for me. Okay, okay, C9, I have to equals it to okay, yeah, mix. Then daily rate should minus with bracket daily rate times concession discount. Okay, or if this does not okay, yeah, if does not qualify, then it's just daily rate lah. I think that's it. Something is not right. Wait, where? Oh, the bracket should be okay. Okay, thank God. 4.5. Let's see the solution answer. $4.50. Nice. Okay, I got it right. Okay, $4.50. Make it to, is it dollars or is it pounds? It's in pounds. Okay, we can change the formatting here. Simple to okay, there, this would do. Alright. Okay. Okay, so we want to do, okay, let's lock every cell. F4 except for C9, and then okay, I think it should be fine. Then I just double click Okay, 452.70. Okay, this one I think shouldn't be there yet. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's. Okay, so far so good. And next I'll be. Okay, we're done with that so far. So copy down the formula and calculation. Okay, and did it. Wait, let me check. Just recheck. Okay, C10, C11, C12, C16. Okay, nice. Okay, everything is correct. Okay. Note to in cell H1, calculate the total daily charge for the whole party by adding together the values in column E. Okay, so it's sum lah. It should be sum of. Can I just put these like this? Is it possible? Okay. Alright. So so we take the whole column instead of just dragging down. Okay. So it'll be auto adding next. Okay. In cell H2, use the figure you just created to calculate the overall charge incurred by the party. Wait, I don't really get this. In cell H2, use the figure you just created to calculate the overall charge incurred by the party. Because minus you worked out the number. Is it minus, right? Okay, minus you worked out the number of days in step 2. In cell step 1. I'm a little confused here. Okay, let me look at the. Pretty much. Okay. That's pretty much it. Okay, so this one times the days. Okay. Okay then. Okay. Okay, so we're done with that. So we're in number 10. We're almost there. In cell H3, a large party discount is to be calculated if the number of people in the group is greater than equal. So if function. So party size, this one I believe. Okay, party size is bigger or equals to the party limit. Let me see here. Okay, then wait, what was it? Wait, okay, not this one. Okay, let's H2 times party discount. Okay. Okay, I'm wrong here. Okay. Let's stop recording. Okay. I'm back. Okay. Okay, in H3 is what we need to do. Okay, so based on what we seen. Am I recording? Okay, it is recording. So let's use if function. If okay, so if the number in party is bigger or equals to the party limit, then this one, no, holds h2, but then I'll just take h2. Okay, h2 should times with the discount, party discount, which is this one. Okay. Oh no. Wait, so confused. Okay, if it's bigger than this, then the charge of visit must multiply with the party discount. Where am I wrong here? What am I missing here? Okay, should be okay now. Okay, then. So let's go for the next one. Cost of visits. It's okay. Okay. Cost of visits pretty much. Right. Should be direct, right? Okay. H4, subtract the party discount from the charge of visit. H5, okay, subtract the party discount from the charge for visit. Subtract the party discount, okay. Okay, got it. VAT, okay, H6, add the VAT to the cost. Okay, where are we now? We're in H5, sorry. Calculate the VAT for the amount in H4. Remember, the VAT is a named cell. Calculate the VAT for the amount in H4. Oh, okay, the VAT is here. Okay, 20%. Got it. Okay, so amount payable is, let's see, amount payable. Add the VAT to the cost of the visit to find the cost. Okay, so it's pretty much add je lah. Sum of these two. We do. Alright. Okay, this is done. Okay, make some changes to the composition to the party to check values are changing as they should, in particular to ensure the larger party discount is applied when it should be. Okay, let's try. We put Alif, we'll say S, and we put his age is like 12. Then okay, there you go. It does make change, but then wait, let us change a bit for here to make it okay, got it. This one just example. If I hit Alif there, the amount everything changes. Should be okay then. Okay, that's all I think for task 3. Thank you so much, and it is pretty challenging for this one, but then I do learn a lot. Okay, thanks, doctor. A very good evening, doctor. My name is Zanair. Today I will be doing data set 4. Okay, let's read the questions first, which I put here. Okay, let me minimize it. We're in data set 4. Wait, let me see before that. Is this recording? Is it recording? Yep, it is recording. Okay. Okay, so let's see data set. Okay, task for instruction. Always bear in mind the basics. Dates are stored as a single whole number and the number increases by 1 each day. Yeah, times are stored as a single decimal number less than 1. Okay, when working with times, it's important to distinguish the time of day and duration. The display on the sheet is the entire result of the formatting these numbers. Okay, got it. So open the file 202 dataset 4. I'm gonna put this aside. Okay, then and perform the activity as follows. Switch to play dates tab, cells B2 and B3. Cell B2 and B3 contains the entered dates, and column C to G, okay, C to G. These two rows simply replicate these two dates. Formatting can be used to display replicate differently. Below 3 rows are some opportunities to try to sum date. 3 rows. Which rows? Below row 3 are some options to some date related functions. Okay, got it. Configure the dates in row 2. Okay, so configure this one lah. So let's do this first. So we just change the format. Go to format cells. Since we're doing date, click on date. So we go on medium date. What does medium date looks like? It's 30 June 15. Okay, this would be it. 30 June 15. Wait, is there a point where without? No. Okay, I think that's it. Press OK. We got it, and we can click on Format Painter. Click here because the same thing. Meanwhile, long date is 30 June 2015. Let's format the cells for date. 30 June 2015. Okay, there we go. Format for long date. Okay, got it. Then day, I believe it's format. Go for time date. Custom here. Indeed it is Tuesday, then we format. We got Tuesday as well for July. Then custom, we want Tuesday 13. Okay, we want the full date. We can find it, we can do it here, or we can go to the date. Just get this one. Okay, so we format painter here as well. What date value? 42,180. Okay, format cell, I think make it a number. There you go. So format pen. Okay, let us remove the zeros. Okay, better. Okay, we're done with that. So immediately custom formatting is combination of, we didn't use custom formatting so far, it's fine, but we can, if we want, just to okay, what do you want here? We want 30 day, month, year, like this example. Do that. It's okay. Alright, so number of days is pretty much this one, and minus with this one. We got it for days. Okay, that's nice. You may need to reformat the cell as number. Okay, in cell G4. Okay, minus 21. Yep, same result. Another date has been entered in cell A8. Okay, let's read the question. In cell C8 to C11. Okay. Calculate another date from 1. In cells D13 to D16. Okay. Okay, let's do E for another date and then. Months. And year. So we got it. Okay. Okay, month, year, okay. Okay. Okay, without E, let's go for F. In cells D13 to D16, try some further functions that calculate another date from the one supplied, all except the first require 2 arguments. The date A8, A8, the date A8, and a number of days. Okay, so this one. There you got it. So subtract, so minus 3. Should we get I should add because minus minus, right? Yeah, I should minus 3 days. Okay, so this one we just plus will do because it's negative. So yeah, we back to 30th July, August, then end of the month. Equals month. Okay. 8, C15. Got it. Date equals workday 8 and C16. 27 July. Yes. That's for task 4. We need to do for all the play date. Okay, good. Okay, that's all I think for task 4. We don't need to do playtime leave. So is that in... Oh, that's task 5. Okay, let's do task 5. Switch to playtime tab. Okay, playtime tab, cells B2 to F3, have some start and end times entered for some days of the week. Okay, in cell B5, use a simple subtraction to find difference between the start and the end of the times for Monday and replicate the same for other days, okay? So equals, so usually time. So what do we want to be formatted as? Let's format it. What? Okay, this one better, I guess. C0, G3, E2, F2. Okay, total duration equals sum of should be that, so it should be 5 hours and 30 minutes. So what is decimal duration? What is that supposed to mean? Okay, let me try. Do we need to change it? Oh, okay, because the format. Let me see the format here. Okay, it is in decimal, so it's 1.23. Okay, in cell G5 we use the sum function total of time. This is for the distinction between time of day. If G5 is formatted as rather time than duration, it will not show the correct answer. You may wish to try 2 possibilities. All the cells in B5 you show duration to, yeah. So we have no problem for getting G5. Let's go for number 4, where a duration display time appropriately but cannot easily be used in calculation. For example, to multiply the number of hours by an hourly cost in the cell H5, enter a formula to multiply the duration in G5 by 24. Okay, yeah, true. Case like this, my answer should be correct, because if we change it to time or date, no wait, make it custom to have a think about why this works. Okay, think done. Okay. Let's go for Time of day can be displayed using 24-hour or 12-hour notation and can be set not to display, leading zeros on hours. Cell A9, okay, contains an entered time value and B9 replicate it. Okay, B9 until E9 replicate this. Apply formatting as indicated. You may need to use custom formatting example shown here. Okay, so this one we need to hours, minutes and seconds. I think this is in the right formatting. However, minutes and seconds, yeah, this is correct. Then we want to go for hours, minutes, but in 12-hour system, is it? Okay, there you go. AM or PM, 2:30 PM. An hour, and okay, we can do that. Go to custom. We want just what? Hour and minutes. Oh no, but we want it in 12-hour system. There you go. 2:30 PM. And time value formatted as number. What does that mean? Okay, H, this one we got it. This one we've done it. Done. Okay, it's correct. Done. Oh, this one you want. Here it said 12, but then the question says 24 in 24-hour system. But here it says 12. Which one should I follow? Okay. So yeah, then this one should be in the 24 hours format, if that's what we want. Okay, so let's read the next question, which is cell A13. So contain and entered C14, C16, C14 to C16. Okay, we need to extract the hour, minute and seconds. Okay, can. So this is hour, 10 hours, minute, extracting it, and last but not least, second. Done. Correct. 10:30 and 45. 6 done. Okay, so we're done with data set 4. Let us save this first. File, save as data set 4. Zanair Husain 1171302980. Save. Okay, done. Okay, now I think the last one, we have one more set to go. Okay. Okay, let's do task 6 then. As dates are stored as whole numbers and times as decimal less than 1, it follows that you can potentially store both a date and a time using just one value using formatting to generate the appropriate display. It even allows you to perform calculation involving both dates and time. Switch to play date time tab, doing that. And let's read the questions. Let's do together. Okay, in cell D2, enter a sample formula to add together the date value between B2 and C2. Okay. Do the same for D3 as well. Okay, got it. So we just need to add these two. Add, right? And make sure the formatting is same. Some. So we can format it to date. We'll do let me custom it. Date, month and year. That will do. Okay. Oh, we need the time as well. Okay. Wait. Okay. Inside little enter simple to add together the data value B2 and the time value C2. Oh, we add together this both thing. Okay. This add with this. Okay, then we try to format it. Can we get date, month, everything? Okay, there you go. Let us format only 2 hours would do. We can do this, yeah. Oh, hours and oh, do you want this? Sorry. Okay, custom. Let's go. Hours and minutes, huh? Okay. Convert it to decimal. Done. Okay, in done with cell D4, we're done with that. In D5, okay, we're done with number 6. In cell A9, okay, in cell A9, enter a function equals now, open bracket, close bracket. Okay, now it's my time, 25th January. Oh, okay. So whenever we open the sheet, the time will refresh, I believe. Okay, we just wait. Then we go to in cell A9, enter function done. As its function doesn't take automatically, but whenever sheets recalculated, which happens every time you make a change, it will update. Cell D9 is set equal to A9. Cell D9 is equal to A9, but has been formatted differently as the value is a date time you can apply. Okay, so let's experiment it. Format cells. Let's try this one. Okay, this is nice. Let's try. Can we do days, month, and time? Yeah, this is much more nicer. Okay, so how about we just have time here? Okay. Okay, done. I believe that's all. Let's save this and we'll end the recording for now. I believe we don't need to do task 7 if I'm not mistaken. Let me see, just reconfirm. Dear students, I think no need to do task 7 as the time sharing does not exist in dataset 4. Okay, so we don't need to do task 7. Okay, nice. Okay, that's all. I'll stop recording for now. Thank you. Recording. Okay, very good evening, welcome back, and we'll be doing dataset 5, and I believe this would be the task 7, which is the last task 7. So the first, they say open the file to O2 dataset 5. Okay, we've already opened it. Okay, the student tab list. The student tab is a list of students that are taking the culinary appreciation. Okay, let's just do this. Okay, we can. Okay, so we can gonna use some if function. Got it. You are going to process the data. Passmark is admin tab cell B2. Okay, admin cell B2. Okay, so we're gonna use if function. Like this one, right? We're gonna use if function here. Okay, so we type students pass. Okay, the passmark. Okay, make this cell a name range called passmark. To make this easier to choose value, make this cell a name range to call passmark. Okay. Wait. Cell. Oh, okay. Okay. I was confused for a while. Okay, let's see. Back on student sheet. Okay, we're here. In cell H2, enter if function will display passmark if. Okay, got it. From the final mark, I believe. Okay, so equals if okay, this one, the final mark is bigger than the passing mark. Okay, let us log this. Let's lock it. If it's bigger, then we say they pass. Should we put all caps? If not, they would fail. Then we close. That's it. So let us put it in the middle. Double tap. There we go. Ta-da! So we can check lah. So it's more than 50. Yep, less than 50. Pass, fail. Less than. Okay, so it's correct, we believe. Try changing the value in the pass mark to see. Okay, let's change to 80 just to see. Okay, let's see how many. Oh, everyone fail except for one. Andrew pass if it's 80. Okay, we change it back to normal. Yep. Okay, done. Okay, to make easier works with the columns data on the students tab, make them into named range as follow. All of column D to make it easy to work with columns of data on the students tab, make them into named range as follow. All of column D is module. Okay, it's already there. E is year, F is mark, G is donation, H is result. Okay, before that, let's just make them center and a bit nicer. Okay. Okay. Now we'll use this to process students' data. You'll need to switch to admin sheet for this. Okay, let's switch to admin sheets. And then in cell B6, okay, I think I need to put it here while doing it. In cell, use COUNTIF function to find how many students are taking the PIES module. Okay. COUNTIF bracket PIES module. So what is PIES module? COUNTIF function to find how many students are taking the PIES. COUNTIF function how many students are taking the PIES module. COUNTIF not sure on this. Okay, the range is let's take the range as D. I'm doing somewhere wrong, I'm not sure where. So the range, let us get the range then. The range from here to here. The criteria is only PIES. Is it correct now? A little bit. Are they 10? So let's count manually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah, correct. Could hard code the word PIES into function for criteria. It's better to reference it from admin cell A6. Admin cells A6. Okay, but then this time we'll change it to stews cake and chocolates. Okay, let us, I don't know, sure. So there's a total of 36, 35, should be 35, 19, 27, 35. Okay. Complete the services for donations total. Oh no, how do I do this? A very good evening, doctor. So I think there's one more left I have to do, which is task 7. Yep, the last task 7. So let's go through together. So open the file 2200 to dataset 5. Dataset 5. We'll open it. I have where is this? Okay, got it. I've opened dataset 5. Let's minimize this. Okay, so the student, each of whom also make donation to the homework charity. Okay, find out useful information. We need to know if student has passed. Students in column head for this. Pass mark. Okay, in the admin tab. So there's pass mark and also year. Okay, got it. Okay, in cell H2 if function. Okay, got it. Wait. Where were we just now? A. Okay, should be if our logical test would be if f2 is bigger than passing mark, then we say pass or not fail. So then close, press okay, pass. So let's just put middle and let's lock in the B2 from admin because we're gonna use everyone. You got to use the same formula value. Pass, then we can just double click for everyone. So we can ensure that, yeah, so 21 is filled because below than 50, 78, okay. Let's see. Try changing the value in pass mark. Okay, we try. Let's try make it pass mark as 70. If 70, does anyone pass? Okay, there's like 3 people pass. Okay, let's bring it back to 50, yeah. Okay, we're done with that. Then, okay, to make it easier, with the columns of data on the students tab, make them into name ranged as follow. D is module. Okay, module, year, file mark, donation, and result. Now we'll see this to process students' data. You need to switch to admin sheet. Okay, and then okay, use the counting function to students are taking PI's module. Use the name range. Yeah, how do I do that? Okay, count if okay, then also this to make it easy to work with columns of data on the students tab, make them into named ranges. All of column D is module. How do I do that? All of column D. All of column D, I make it as Oh, I accidentally clicked stop recording, sorry. Okay, so I think I got it. All of column D, we're gonna name it as module. Then column E is year, and here final mark. Then what is column G? Okay, year, sorry. Wait, you start with D, module, year, module, year. Okay, let me put this side. Year, mark, am I recording? Year, final mark is just mark. Okay, then donation is donation. Donation and H is results. Okay. Wait, what do I do? How do I? Wait, let me change again. Module. There you go. Hey. Module. Here. 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 No, this one should be module. Here. No. Why does it keep on changing? Module. Here. Mark. Nation. Result. Okay, just check back. D1, year, mark, donation, result. Okay. No. Why this is not changing? Mark, year. Why is it D1? Let's see first. I'm so I don't know. I have no idea why does it don't want to change. Okay, then it's okay. Okay. Is count if hopefully it's okay. I don't know. It's not taking, what do you call that? It's not taking count if no count if okay, go back to admin. There you go. Students. Yeah, okay. Should be okay. Then let's read the question again. Okay. Count if function to use pi module. Copy the function on 3 modules. You should replicate. Yep, it does replicate. Then donation total. Average mark. Okay. So, okay, yeah, got it. So, for donation total, we have to say sum if, what was the, sorry, okay, if it's then A6, donate, why is it, okay. A6 or what do you want? Yeah, the donation. Hey, why is it 0? Admin. Okay, to A6. Sum if let's do again. Sum if. Okay, the range. So this is the range. The range, okay. And the criteria is, pies. Okay. Then we bracket some range of the donation. Then we can close the bracket. There we go. Can double click and yep. Let's go for the next one. Average. So we're gonna use average if. Average if. Right. Now I'm not sure why this one is not changing to module, but still do this. Then you take range, and the criteria is okay. Oh yeah, the criteria is pies, and we put the average range here. File mark. There you go. Wait, what is this? This, oh no, this is not from admin. Students, yeah, makes sense now. Yep, so we can double click. Go. So number of passes. So we use okay, number of passes. How do we do that? Calculate the pass rates population. Okay, count if function, we've done that. No, count if it shall be 6. Count if, count ifs. No, how does it? In admin, F6 to F9. F6 to F9. No, okay, wait, before that. In row 11. Okay, so you're gonna use count ifs for this one. So let's try. Count ifs. So, oh, count ifs. That's us. It's gonna be mod. So we're gonna take this and A6 would do. And we take results, and then we only take pass. Boom. And double click, should be 6, 4, 4, and 5. Okay, so for pass rate, F6 until F9, the proportion passes against the number of students taking the simple division. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty, it is a divide, right? Yeah, okay. Okay, so number of passes, total number of students, 60%. There you go. How about this? Is E7 divided by B7. E7 divided by B7, 44%. Okay. Wait, number of passes, what is this? 6. Okay. Alright. Then format as percentage. Yep. Okay, done. Try changing the pass mark in admin B2 to see the effect on these calculated results. Okay, let's change the passing mark to 60. Okay, that's nice. Okay, let's change it to 20%. Oh no, nobody passed. Oh, everybody passed it like that. Okay, nice. Okay, 50%. Done. Now the hardest bit is from B17 to E20. First time it should B14 needs to use additional criterion. B14. Oh, okay, year. Okay. Use the plural version. Include a plus rate in column F as before. Okay. So we need to include the year as well. So let's see. Oh, this year. Okay, got it. Got it. So we want year 1 only. I see. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So we're gonna use count count ifs. Oh damn. Oh, sorry. Count if, you're gonna take this, and we're gonna want to use pies to add it. So we're gonna take here, and last but not least, we're gonna take the year target, which is B14. There you go. I need to change this to module. See, it does not change. Why it does not change? This should be okay. This should be. Is it? Is this because of... Why is it not changing? Okay. Let me just some random name first. Okay, I'm gonna change this to D1. I can't change it to. I'm spending so much time on this. I don't know why. Okay. It's okay then. Oh no. I think it should be fine. Okay, let's see. If donation total, we need to use some ifs. Since I already changed the name. Some if bracket the range, we're gonna take the donations. So donations is G. Then the criteria range 1 should be module. Then I change it to random. Okay. Then here we're gonna take A17. Gonna take here, and then take this here target. Then close. Then okay. Same as just now. This average if. So we're gonna take the range for average of the file mark. What did I do? Wait. Oh no, wait. Okay, so this is average ifs. No wonder. Okay, average ifs. You're gonna take the first range, which is the mark. So we're gonna take mark, and we're gonna take obviously the module, but then I've accidentally renamed it to random, and yeah, eyes. And then as usual, we're gonna take the year and also the year target. 54.667. Hopefully I'm correct. Hopefully so. So much ifs. Criteria range one, we're gonna, it's our random. Okay, then we're gonna take our pies, and yep, as usual, then we're gonna take our here with our target, here target, results, and yeah, we only want pass. So do I do it right? Let me check. Okay, so we want to check people with name pies pass. Okay, so this one should be basic, I believe. This divided by number of students, so it's page 60. Should be same for everybody here. Yep, I think that's it. All right, that's it. Let's read the question. Include the pass rate in column F as before. Okay, then I think that's all. Yep, that's all from me. Thank you so much. Let us save this first. Save dataset 5. Okay, that okay. Thank you so much, doctor. I'll be stop recording now, and thank you. Have a nice day.